How to delete your Stumble Guys account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can delete your account in Stumble Guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, make sure that you are in the lobby of the game. And once you are inside the game, simply tap on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. And once you are in the settings, go to the general tab, and from there you can simply scroll down until you find the privacy option. And once you have found that, and after that a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu you will see a delete account option. Simply tap on it and a confirmation message will appear informing you that your account will be permanently deleted. And now to proceed, you simply need to tap del in all capital letters, and once you're done with that, you can simply tap on delete. And once you confirm, your account will be permanently removed from the game. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.